Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump points in Star Citizen. Jump points are truly fascinating cosmic highways that allow us to travel between different star systems, opening up a universe of exploration. Understanding how to navigate these incredible phenomena is absolutely essential for any aspiring spacefarer. We'll cover everything you need to know to confidently traverse the vast distances of the verse, making your journeys both efficient and enjoyable. Get ready to explore new horizons. Once you're ready to embark on an interstellar journey, your first step is to locate a jump point within your current system. These cosmic gateways often appear as shimmering anomalies in space. After pinpointing its location, carefully align your ship with the jump point's entry point. Your ship's navigation computer will then guide you through the activation process, preparing your vessel for the incredible transition. It's a thrilling moment as you prepare to leave one system behind and venture into the unknown. As you enter the jump point, your ship will be pulled into a mesmerizing tunnel of light and energy. During this exhilarating transit, it's crucial to maintain your ship's alignment. Follow the visual cues and any on-screen prompts to stay on the correct trajectory. While most jumps are smooth, be aware that sometimes you might encounter unexpected events or even interdictions within the jump tunnel. Staying vigilant ensures a safe and successful passage to your destination. Congratulations! Upon successfully exiting the jump point, you'll find yourself in an entirely new star system, ready for fresh adventures. Take a moment to orient yourself and assess your new surroundings. It's always a good idea to check your ship's status, including fuel levels and any potential damage, especially after a long journey. Planning your next steps, whether it's exploring, trading, or engaging in combat, is key to making the most of your arrival. Happy travels, citizen!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.